Happy weekend everyone! It is a beautiful Sunday morning and let's pack some orders. So the first kit would be a chip tooth filling kit. Unpacking the instruments and tools provided, as well as the composite over here, UV light cure with batteries provided, and finally the bond. I've got 2 orders for this, so I am just going to do that quickly. Ta-da! And now sanitizing my hands with this wipe. And now the next order, we have a mixed tooth gem kit. These are the combination of gems now. They are so beautiful. I change my gems regularly, so do check it out in my shop, link in the description below. I've got all the other tools needed, like the UV light cure, etching bond, pasting my logo over the bond, and now I'm packing everything to this silver holographic bag, which is really cute as well. I love how everything fits so perfectly into this bag. Now I'm adding 3 instruction cards, my name card, application instructions, and gem care. So I would like to say that these are 18K gold plated gems and not pure gold gems, because if it's pure gold gems you cannot get so many gems at this price, and this is indeed a steal. And now I've got this custom order which says that she wants to swap out some C gems for crosses, and that is perfectly fine. So for your reference, she wants to swap this gem for this, and yes, I have pre-packed some of my set A gold plated gems, so I'm just swapping it out for her and hope she likes it. The next kit is my Dentures Kit. This person has ordered upper and lower dentures and with acrylic gums. I have pre-packed my acrylic gums and I'm just sticking my logo on them and adding some individual teeth. We do have some wired teeth as well, which is great if you do not have any teeth at all. And then again, I'm fitting everything to this cute bag and adding some clear instructions. And if you're in the UK, you should know what a large letter is. So if your parcel can fit through the slot, you will be able to send your parcel for cheaper. So this is why I try to keep my parcels as flat as possible. The next kit that we have a basic dentures kit with an impression kit. So I've weighed out all the things that the patient needs. Dental stone powder, 100 grams of it, and 50 grams of putty, so she doesn't have to do any work. I'm even labeling this plastic cup which has a 25mm mark so that she doesn't have to go and grab a measuring cup or a syringe to measure in case she doesn't have it. It is really a fuss-free process that I want to create for my customers and hope they appreciate it. So now my next order is a premium denture kit, and I'm just doing the same thing. I've weighed out the ingredients. Okay, maybe not ingredients, but materials rather. I am upgrading some of my envelopes into pink, more sturdy plastic ones after receiving feedback that these paper ones come a bit squashed in the mail. So yes, I've heard you. I'm just waiting for my pink envelopes to arrive, and so do look out for them. I'm very excited for you to receive them. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this short little vlog and let me know if you want to see more. And I'll see you in my next video. Give me a like and subscribe.